go. 15 needles in a colorful row. One little tap, the colors align. The PooLin EOX makes every stitch shine. Take it one step, don't be afraid. Every masterpiece is carefully made. Stitch it right, stitch it bright. Learning something new feels just right. Color by color, stitch by stitch. Watch your creativity come alive. With every hoop and every design, we'll make something beautiful every time. PooLin EOX, come stitch with me. Maple nut style, that's where we'll be. Choose your colors, set the order. Confidence grows a little farther. One more project, one more smile. You've been an embroiderer all the while. Faith, coffee, thread, and dreams. Nothing's ever hard as it first seems. Let's make something beautiful, you and me. One stitch at a time, Maple Nut family.